Welcome to the official Maven EVO video. Today, I'll show you how our new app, optimized for DJI Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro, makes flying a drone an exciting and customizable experience. Discover all the advanced features in action. Waypoint Mission. This is our flagship function. With the Waypoint feature, you can plan precise routes on the map, add points of interest, and let your drone follow them accurately. You can also include orbit or spirals in your Waypoint missions and plan every detail to perfection. Perfect for smooth, professional shots. When your mission is ready, connect the drone and press the launch button. The drone will automatically take off to perform the mission. VR mode. With Maven EVO, you can experience a fully immersive flight using VR mode and an affordable VR headset. You can enable head tracking for intuitive camera control. Or switch to the gimbal FPV mode, where the gimbal is not stabilized on the roll axis, giving a true FPV drone feeling. This unique mode offers thrilling and immersive perspectives for every flight. Smart Copilot, Cable Cam. The Cable Cam mode is perfect for stable, linear shots. Simply select the destination by tapping on the map, and watch the drone follow it like it's on invisible rails at the desired speed. This feature is ideal for creating smooth tracking shots with ease. You can download the app now and explore all the features of Maven EVO for free. Check the link in the description below. Smart Copilot, Orbit. With Smart Copilot, you can enable advanced features like Orbit. This allows the drone to circle around a point of interest, dynamically adjusting the radius, speed, and altitude of the orbit to create stunning cinematic shots. Perfect for capturing landscapes or emphasizing specific subjects. Smart Copilot, GPS Track Me. Want your drone to follow your movements? Activate GPS Track Me, and Maven EVO will do the rest, keeping you in the frame at all times. Perfect for capturing a walk on the beach, a hike, or your most thrilling action scenes. These are just a few of the amazing features of Maven EVO. Download the app and take your flights to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for upcoming updates. Supported drones, DJI Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro, with more drones to be supported in the future.